Yeah, hi everyone. We have started a new series on the automation testing, right? Mobile automation testing, very interesting topic, right? A lot of people are right waiting for and searching for it, right? Right. This is the I am right. This series I am right using the latest technologies, right? Latest all the latest servers and the latest technologies, right? I will explain in detail, right? Uh, right, like Selenium is very easy to set up, but right, a mobile, right, automation means to set up, right? Setup was very difficult, right? Setup was very difficult. If you face any issues, right, here in detail, I will explain how to install, how to resolve the issues, those things, right? Please watch it, and right, if you like the way of teaching, just subscribe it, right, and enable the notification so that whenever I will release the new right new video, you will get notified. Right, today we'll start with the introduction right, mobile app testing, right? Introduction of mobile app testing. What is the importance of mobile apps? Right, we already know, right? Mobile app testing can be mobile testing we can do in both, right? Every testing, web testing or whatever may, right? Web testing or mobile, both we will have a automation and manual testing, right? Why will do testing means, right, our application is meets all the business requirements and user expectations, right? Right, why we will do testing, right? Just to ensure, to make sure the app, right, application is working properly without any issues, right? So manual testing means we know, right? Manual testing means it will take a lot of time to test, right? But automation testing means it will save the time, right? It will save the time, right? Right. What is mobile testing, right? Mobile testing, why will do mobile testing, right? Similarly, web testing, we are testing the applications. Similarly, in mobile also we will do application testing only, whether correctly, right, functionality is working correctly and usability, right? It is application was properly rendering or not, all the actions are working or not on different mobiles, right? Performance, is there any performance issues in the mobile, right? Same application whatever we will test in the web, same we will test in the, right, mobile also, right? Right. Why mobile application testing is important, right? Nowadays, right, nowadays all e-commerce application, healthcare applications, right, different all domains, right, are migrating to mobile, right? Because all people are habituated, right, like addicted to mobile only. They're everything we are doing from the mobile itself, right? No one interested to go to the, right, app and opening the URL in the browser and right, verifying it. Instead of that, everyone is doing, right, apps only, installing apps, doing the actions, right? So all the applications, e-commerce, if we take a, right, Amazon, Flipkart, right, Myntra, right, nowadays food delivery apps, right? These are all apps means we are very quick. They, right, we will get very quick responses from the apps, right? Then if you want to test such type of applications, right, we have to make sure all applications are when you are developing web application to mobile applications, right? We have to make sure application is working fine in the mobile. Otherwise, right, user will not. Right, there are, suppose if you take a Zomato, Swiggy, right, there are multiple food delivery apps. Wherever you will feel more comfortable, user friendly, then you will go to that app. Right. That's why we will do mobile. Whenever we will, right, any company is developing mobile application, we have to make sure the app was working user friendly and working fine. There is no performance issues, right? So we have to ensure all the application performance is there is no issues with the performance and user experience, custom loyalty, right? and generate a high revenue, right? Whenever it is user friendly, right, performance is right, very fast, right, then obviously we will get higher revenue, right? Reduces the testing time during the development. Right, what are the different types of mobile apps we have? Right, right, we have a web apps. Right, we have a web apps. Web apps means what? We can run on web browser and require an internet connection compatible across different devices, computers, phones, tablets, responsive to different screen size. Right, web apps means what? We can open URL, right, on the browser, right, on the laptop. Suppose you have a system, we can open on the browser that URL, or I have a mobile, right, I have a mobile or tablets, right, Android, iPhone, I can open URL, I can open the Chrome browser or Safari browser, I can enter the URL, right. Web apps means we can open through URL, right. For that we require obviously internet connection, and it should be, application should be responsive. Responsive means what? Suppose if I open in the, right, suppose if I open, in the, right, any app, right, suppose I am opening, right, Amazon e-commerce application, right, it should rendering, right, full screen, clearly, right. Same application, suppose if I open in the mobile browser, suppose I have one mobile browser. This is the mobile browser. I have, suppose here also we can have, right, right. I can also open Amazon same website, right, here also. According to the size of the screen, it should render, right. Suppose if I open Amazon here, it should render according to the screen size. Otherwise, what will happen if it is not rendering properly? User will not interested to open in the, right, mobile. If your display is, user display is not properly rendering, right, it should see it is properly rendering, right. That is called mobile web application, right. Web apps we can open on the browser, and the native apps. These are built specifically for a single operating system, either for Android or iOS. These will be, we can open only in the Android and iOS. These are native to operating system. Suppose if you take this is an Android mobile, right? What are the native applications here? Suppose what are the native applications here? If you take this phone dialer, message app, right? This email, right? These are all native apps. Calculator, right? These are all native apps. Native apps to this Android. Right, native apps means these are all specially designed for the those Android apps or iOS, Android systems or iOS operating systems. Right, then hybrid apps. Hybrid apps means combined features of both and web and native apps. Right, developed front-end technology, shared code base for Android and iOS. Right, these are all, suppose if you take a Amazon, right? Amazon, Flipkart, right? These things we can open both web and, right, in the app also, both web and web also, app also. Right? These are called hybrid apps. Hybrid apps. What are the different types of operating systems we have? Android, right? It is developed by Google and right? Google, right? Company. iOS is Apple. Right now, right, next, how it will work, right? These are all different types of applications, web apps, native apps, hybrid apps. We can automate all these things by using Appium. Right, and how Appium server works? Right, basically it is a client server architecture. Right, it is basically a client server architecture. Right, the client sends the request, API server will take that request and execute on the device. Ignore on the device. Right. We will discuss more on this in the next session. Right. Right. We will discuss this architecture in the next session very detailed. I have noted down. I have kept a notes for very in detail to discuss what is the architecture of mobile, how it will work Appium. Right. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share. Right. Subscribe it. Right. Just enable the notification. You will get next video notification whenever I post it. Thanks for watching.